Welcome to Data Insights. Today I'm going to show you how to use the English Learner Monitoring form in Data Insights. Start by logging in to Data Insights. Your username and password is the same as your Outlook or Infinite Campus account. Click on Students. Once you get to the student view, change the default data view into the English Learner Monitoring list view. You can also change the school site as needed. The list contains the student ID, last name, first name, grade, monitoring entries, number of form entries, and the last monitoring form. To enter a new monitoring entry, click on New EL Entry. This will open up a fillable PDF for the student. This contains the student demographic information, the student's early warning system status, and at the bottom, it'll be similar to the Google form where you can fill up the information. In this case, we're entering the monitoring period, the progress towards reclassification, the type of interaction, and the comments. Fill in the next review date for the student. If you are filling up for plan of action, this section are available. Depending on what you're filling up for the student, fill up the section as needed. When you are done, click on Save Data. You'll notice that the entry will reflect now on the last monitoring form. To see the form entered, click on the little icon and click on the Forms tab. Click on the Forms tab and you will see the entry information here, and you'll have the option to view or edit the form. How to enter EL monitoring form entries to multiple students. Begin by filtering your students. In this case, I'm going to filter the kids that has no entries and are at risk. Once I filter the at-risk students, I'm going to select them by clicking on the checkbox on the top left corner. Click on Perform Action. Click on Batch Create. The top section will show you the student ID numbers you have selected. From there, you can enter the monitoring form as usual. Remember that what you enter here will show to the number of students that you have selected. Once complete, click on Save Data. How to print English Learner Monitoring reports in Data Insights. To do that, click on Data Insights, click on Dashboards, click on Reports, and click on English Learner Monitoring Summary Form. Once you click on the report, you will have 4 parameters: the school year, school name, enrollment status. There's the active reclassified, and inactive. To define the enrollment status, the active students are the current active English learner student. The active reclassified are the active students that are reclassified. And the inactive are the inactive students that has an EL entry. You can select one or multiple status as needed. On this particular case, I'm going to select the active reclassified students. Click on Submit. Once you generate the report, you can print as needed.